In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira Error 502 step by step. This is a common issue many Jira users face when trying to access boards, backlogs, or calendars, and it can be really frustrating when you're in the middle of work. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be resolved in just a few minutes by following a simple checklist. I'll walk you through exactly what to do in the right order so you can get back into Jira as quickly as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest and fastest thing you should try is logging out of Jira and then logging back in. A 502 error can sometimes be caused by a temporary session issue between your browser and Jira servers. To do this, click on your profile icon in Jira, choose Log Out, then completely close your browser tab. After that, reopen your browser, go back to your Jira URL, and sign in again using your Atlassian account. Once you're logged back in, try opening the same page that showed the error before, such as your board or calendar, and see if it loads correctly. If the issue is still there, don't worry, we'll move on to the next step. The second step, and this one is very important, is to check Jira's system status. Many people skip this, but a 502 error is often caused by a temporary outage or service disruption on Atlassian side. Open a new tab and go to status.atlassian.com. On this page, you'll see the live status of all Atlassian services, including Jira Software, Jira Service Management, and Jira Cloud. Look specifically for Jira and check if there are any incidents, degraded performance warnings, or ongoing maintenance notices. If Jira is experiencing issues, then the problem is not on your end, and the best thing to do is wait until Atlassian resolves it. This can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. If everything looks operational on the status page, move on to the next fix. The third thing to try is opening Jira in an Incognito window or using a different browser entirely. Sometimes browser cache, cookies, or extensions can interfere with how Jira loads and cause errors like 502. To test this, open an Incognito or private browsing window and paste your Jira URL there. Log in and see if the page loads normally. If it works in Incognito mode, that's a strong sign that your regular browser cache or an extension is causing the issue. You can fix this by clearing your browser cache and cookies, or by disabling extensions one by one until you find the culprit. Alternatively, you can try opening Jira in another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to confirm the issue is browser-specific. The fourth step is to check your VPN or network connection. If you're using a VPN, corporate network, or proxy, it may be blocking or interfering with Jira's connection to Atlassian servers. Try temporarily disconnecting from your VPN and then reload Jira. If Jira loads correctly after disabling the VPN, you found the cause of the problem. In that case, you may need to change your VPN server, whitelist Atlassian domains, or contact your network administrator for help. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switching to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, can help you confirm whether the issue is network-related. Once you've gone through these steps, most Jira Error 502 issues should be resolved. To quickly recap, log out and log back in, check Atlassian system status, try Incognito mode or another browser, and finally check your VPN or network. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.